Hello again everybody, it's Professor G here with Speaking with Courage, and on today's video I will share with you some tips on how to find that perfect topic for your presentation. And hello everybody, welcome back to Speaking with Courage, where we all work together to enhance our public speaking skills. And if you've ever had to do a presentation at school, in college, at work, or in the community, you know that having a good topic is probably a really important part of that presentation. Now, the thing is that coming to a conclusion on what to present about and what topic to have can be difficult. There's tons of topics out there. We're bombarded with information every day, and there's tons of things that you can talk about. So what makes a topic good? The first thing they have to think about is your audience before you think about your topic. Who are you going to be presenting in front of? Is it classmates? Is it colleagues? Is it a church group? Is it a community group that talks about environment? Or is it a community group that talks about human rights? All of those things are going to play a role in what topic you bring to the table. So first, think of your audience. Think of who is in your audience as well. Not only their interest in the topic, but also think about their age, gender, and all these factors and demographics that are going to determine their interest in your topic. Now, with that in mind, then you can move forward and start brainstorming. You can start by doing a Google search on topics that you might have already thought about. This is going to give you 1,000 options on what to talk about. But if you want to go even further, you can start thinking about topics by thinking about things that you know about versus things that you don't know about. This is going to help you decide from whether choosing something that you want to learn more about and reinforce your knowledge on a certain topic and then present that to that specific audience, or you're going to choose something that you completely are oblivious to and you have no idea what to talk about, and then do the research and then bring this information to that specific audience that you already identified. So something that you know versus something that you don't know, that can be an option. Now, the second thing in terms of brainstorming that you can do is think of places you've been and people you have met. Maybe the places you have been have taught you something and you can bring to that presentation a lesson or an experience. And also maybe you can bring an experience from somebody that you know and somebody that's very interesting, depending on that audience again. Everything is going to gravitate towards who that audience is. But you can think about places and you can also think about people that you've met. Finally, think about hobbies and things that you've done that could help this audience enhance their knowledge on that certain topic, depending on who this audience is. Think of experiences that you've had. Think of degrees that you've had. Think of workshops that you've gone to. Think of conferences that you've gone to. Any type of experience like that, you can bring it. You can even think of stories and anecdotes that you witnessed or that you've listened to so that you can bring those to the presentation. There you have it. You got a couple of tips and tricks to help you enhance your ability to choose that specific topic for that next awesome presentation. How do you do it? How do you brainstorm? How do you choose your topic for that presentation? Leave me a comment below, share your experiences. I'm sure somebody out there will benefit from your knowledge. All right, there you have it. Just a couple of tips and tricks that you can use to find that perfect topic for that presentation. Now, if you're motivated on enhancing your public speaking skills or your presenting skills in front of a camera, hit that subscribe button because I will be showing more and more videos on enhancing your public speaking skills and on helping you speak with courage. I'm Professor G, and I'll catch you next time.